Do you remember the first time you printed Hello World? Felt like magic, right? Then you learn the basics, variables, loops, functions. But then what's next? That's where a lot of beginners get stuck. When it's time to build something, you don't know where to start. That's why we created the Wall of Inspiration. It's a showcase of 50 plus handpicked projects, from small to fun games to advanced AI powered apps. That shows how far you can go when you move from theory to actual building. And this isn't just for developers. Whether you're in design, research, or any other field, building is how you turn ideas real. Our team built this to remind you that learning is only half the journey. The other half is creating. With AI generating scripts in seconds, coding isn't just about memorizing syntax anymore. It's about building something real. Something that solves a problem, makes life easier, or maybe just makes you smile. So don't just stop at basics. Use what you know to build something real. And if you have already built something cool in our playground, share it with us. Your project might end up on the Wall of Inspiration too. So what's stopping you? Go build something awesome.